Quizizz has come out with so much for back to school for this upcoming year. I've narrowed it down to what I would say are my top 5 favorite things, personally, of the new things that are coming out for back to school. We're coming out with something called leveled resources. And I love it. I love it because what it is, it's helping those students who maybe couldn't succeed before. And so instead of giving every single kid the exact same quiz, what you're doing is you're making different variants. So different variants at different levels. And then you can send out one code to your entire class, and you can pick the students who get the different levels. So then every student is getting the level that's best for them, and no one has any idea. It's an amazing new accommodation coming to Quizizz. We're gonna finally have now this ability to have your open-ended questions graded for you. We know that open-ended questions are important for higher level thinking, but the worst part about them, as anyone who's ever done them knows, is just going through and grading them all. So we're going to use AI to be able to help us grade all these open-ended questions so you can get immediate feedback and your students can get immediate feedback. For a while now, we've been able to generate any kind of sort of quiz using AI from PDF, from website, all this stuff, and it's been incredible. And now, what's really, really great is that that ability is now going to go to pretty much all the different question types. And we have like 18 different question types. So it's not just multiple choice questions and a couple other. You're gonna see now it's like labeling questions and hotspot questions and all these different questions you're gonna be able to make using AI. Our Quizizz Lessons, and if you've never done Quizizz Lessons before, it's basically slides with amazing questions kind of slip right in there, is getting this amazing overhaul. And so there's gonna be some really great things. I can do an entire video probably just on this. But my favorite parts of this overhaul are going to be when you can deliver your lessons and you have the questions coming up. What's going to happen is we're going to use AI to figure out, hey, listen, like your students don't really know what's going on here. They didn't do so well in that last question, and it'll help you on the fly put in questions so you can basically give them extra practice right in the middle of their lesson. It's going to be amazing. Or there's other spots where you can kind of take these generic questions like, how you feeling today? Or like, what'd you learn today? Again, on the fly, be able to ask these questions. It's going to give you all this like really, really clean data. So there's never, hopefully ever time where you're in the middle of your lesson, you don't know how well the students understand it. And there's going to be this like one toggle, one button where you can basically say, hey, listen, okay, I've said my piece, I've taught you a couple things, go practice on your own. In one button, you can turn your lesson into teacher paced to student paced, and then be able to interact with them and help them along the way as they're working. And I know this is gonna seem silly, but I'm excited about it. Our Qbits that the students love so, so much finally have hair, and hundreds of hairstyles, which I know is absurd. But I'm excited because these students love them, and now just a little bit more, they get to see themselves in these Qbits as they're doing their quiz. And there are a whole bunch of other ones. Really, really great updates coming to Quizizz for back to school, but these are my top 5. I do hope you try them. Let us know what you think. Happy back to school, everyone.